Hello everybody, Unholy Vision here from Venomous Pictures, and today I bring you a video on how to actually get a ISO onto a USB drive. This video is intended more for Windows users coming to Linux, but you can use this piece of software on Linux to burn bootable ISOs, but the intention, as stated, is for Windows coming to Linux. At this point, you should really have researched your distribution of choice, be it Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Manjaro, and Targos, whatever you're wanting to jump into and what you're comfortable in actually using. We'll use Manjaro as the example in this video and just get our ISO from their website via the direct through the browser and not a torrent. Now we need Etcher. So we'll just go to this one right here. It should be BALENAA.io/Etcher as the address. It should automatically detect your operating system, but if it doesn't, you can always click right here and go through the list. Make sure it's either 32 or 64-bit based on your operating system, and just download the piece of software. Alright, so now we need to actually install Etcher. Alright, now we need to open our program and find our ISO. So now we need to find our ISO. You can either search for it through select an image, or you can just go right here and drag and drop it onto there. It should automatically detect your USB flash thumb drive, but if not, go in here, make sure it goes to the right drive, and then just continue and press flash. Then just hit yes. If this right here pops up afterwards, just press cancel. You don't want to format the disk. And now you should have a bootable drive. So you can take it out and actually go use it. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. And if you like this kind of content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and then hit your monitor real hard on that bell button to crack it. And we'll be seeing you in the next video. This is Unholy Vision signing out.